Welcome to the DenteKidz Excel data entry training. In this comprehensive tutorial, you'll learn how to accurately enter patient dental screening records into our Excel-based system. This training will guide you through every step of the data entry process, ensuring consistency and accuracy in our dental screening program. Let's begin by understanding the structure of the DenteKidz Excel file. The workbook contains three essential sheets. First, the patient master sheet, which is your main data entry area. Second, the dashboard sheet, which provides visual summaries and analytics. And third, the settings sheet, which contains configuration options. For data entry purposes, you'll primarily work in the patient master sheet. This is where all patient dental records are stored and managed. Now, let's explore the columns in the patient master sheet. Understanding each column is crucial for accurate data entry. Column A contains the patient ID, which is automatically generated by the system. You don't need to enter anything here. Column B is for the patient's first name. Enter the given name exactly as it appears on the screening form. Column C is for the last name or family name. Column D records the patient's age in years at the time of examination. Column E captures the exam date. Use the format year, month, day for consistency. Columns F through K are designated for decayed teeth codes. Enter the tooth numbers for any teeth identified as decayed during the examination. Columns L through O record missing teeth codes. Document any teeth that are missing, whether due to extraction or natural causes. Columns P through U are for filled teeth codes. Enter tooth numbers for any teeth that have existing fillings or restorations. Column 5 displays the DMFT score, which stands for decayed, missing, and filled teeth. This score is automatically calculated by the system based on your entries in the previous columns. You don't need to calculate this manually. Finally, column W shows the risk level, which is automatically assigned based on the DMFT score. The system categorizes patients as low, moderate, or high risk according to established dental health criteria. Let's walk through a complete data entry example using a sample patient. We'll enter information for a 7-year-old patient named Ali Ahmadi. First, skip column A as the patient ID will auto-generate. In column B, enter the first name, Ali. In column C, enter the last name, Ahmadi. In column D, enter the age 7. In column E, enter the examination date, January 31st, 2026. Now for the dental findings. In the decayed teeth columns, enter the tooth codes, 54, 55, and 64. These represent the primary teeth that showed decay during examination. In the missing teeth column, enter 75. This indicates one missing tooth. In the filled teeth columns, enter 84 and 85. These teeth have existing fillings. Watch as the system automatically calculates the DMFT score. With 3 decayed teeth, 1 missing tooth, and 2 filled teeth, the total DMFT score is 6. Based on this score, the system automatically assigns a risk level. A DMFT score of 6 typically indicates a moderate to high risk level, which helps prioritize follow-up care. Remember these key points for successful data entry. Always double-check tooth numbers for accuracy. Use consistent date formatting. Let the system auto-calculate DMFT scores and risk levels. Never manually override these calculated fields. Review each entry before moving to the next patient, and maintain patient confidentiality at all times. Thank you for completing this DenteKidz Excel data entry training. With practice, you'll become proficient at entering patient data accurately and efficiently. If you have questions, please contact your program supervisor. Happy data entry. Thank you for completing this DenteKidz Excel data entry training. With practice, you'll become proficient at entering patient data accurately and efficiently. If you have questions, please contact your program supervisor. Happy data entry. Let's review some additional best practices for data quality. When entering tooth codes, always verify you're using the correct numbering system. Primary teeth use numbers 51 through 85, while permanent teeth use numbers 1 through 32. Double-check each code before moving to the next field. For date entry, consistency is critical. Always use the year-month-day format to ensure proper sorting and filtering in your reports. If you're unsure about a date, consult the original screening form or contact your supervisor rather than guessing. When documenting decayed teeth, be thorough. Enter all tooth codes identified during the examination, even if there are multiple decayed teeth. The system can accommodate up to 6 decayed tooth entries per patient. Similarly, document all missing and filled teeth completely. The DMFT score is a powerful indicator of oral health status. Understanding how it's calculated helps you appreciate the importance of accurate data entry. Each decayed, missing, or filled tooth contributes 1 point to the score. A score of 0 indicates excellent oral health, while higher scores indicate greater dental treatment needs. Risk level categorization helps prioritize patient follow-up. Low-risk patients typically have DMFT scores of 0 to 2. Moderate-risk patients score 3 to 5. High-risk patients score 6 or above. These categories guide treatment planning and resource allocation for the DenteKidz program. Remember to save your work frequently. Excel autosaves, but it's good practice to manually save after completing each patient entry. This prevents data loss and ensures your hard work is preserved. Use Control-S on Windows or Command-S on Mac to save quickly. Finally, maintain patient confidentiality at all times. Never share patient data outside authorized channels. Ensure your computer screen is not visible to unauthorized individuals. Lock your workstation when stepping away. These practices protect patient privacy and comply with healthcare data regulations. This completes your comprehensive training on Excel data entry for the DenteKidz dental screening program. You now have the knowledge and skills to enter patient data accurately, efficiently, and securely. Welcome to the DenteKidz team. This completes your comprehensive training on Excel data entry for the DenteKidz dental screening program. You now have the knowledge and skills to enter patient data accurately, efficiently, and securely. Let's do a quick recap of the entire workflow. Step 1. Open the DenteKidz Excel file and navigate to the patient master sheet. Step 2. Begin with a new row for each patient. Step 3. Enter the patient's first name, last name, and age. Step 4. Record the examination date in year, month, day format. Step 5. Document all decayed teeth using the appropriate tooth codes. Step 6. Record any missing teeth. Step 7. Enter filled teeth codes. Step 8. Verify that the DMFT score and risk level have been automatically calculated. Step 9. Review the entire row for accuracy. Step 10. Save your work. Common mistakes to avoid include mixing up tooth numbering systems, entering dates in inconsistent formats, forgetting to document all affected teeth, manually entering values in auto-calculated fields, and failing to save your work regularly. By avoiding these pitfalls, you'll maintain high data quality standards. If you encounter technical issues, first check that you're using the correct version of the Excel file. Ensure all formulas are functioning properly in columns V and W. If auto calculations aren't working, contact your IT support team. Never attempt to fix formula errors yourself, as this could compromise data integrity for the entire program. For additional support, refer to the DenteKidz user manual, attend monthly refresher training sessions, consult with experienced data entry staff, or contact the program coordinator. We're here to support your success in this important role. Your work as a data entry specialist is vital to the DenteKidz program. Accurate patient records enable proper treatment planning, help identify community dental health trends, support program evaluation and improvement, and ensure compliance with health reporting requirements. Thank you for your dedication to improving children's dental health. Welcome to the DenteKidz team. Your work as a data entry specialist is vital to the DenteKidz program. Accurate patient records enable proper treatment planning, help identify community dental health trends, support program evaluation and improvement, and ensure compliance with health reporting requirements. Let's discuss some advanced tips for efficient data entry. Use keyboard shortcuts to navigate quickly between cells. The Tab key moves you to the next column, while Enter moves you down to the next row. Shift-Tab moves backward. These shortcuts significantly speed up your workflow compared to using the mouse for every movement. Consider creating a personal checklist for each patient entry. This might include verifying patient identification, confirming all dental codes are entered, checking date format, reviewing auto-calculated fields, and performing a final accuracy check. A systematic approach reduces errors and builds confidence in your work. When working with large data sets, use Excel's filter and sort functions to organize your data. You can filter by risk level to identify high-priority patients, sort by examination date to track recent screenings, or search for specific patient names. These tools help you manage and analyze the data more effectively. Understanding the broader context of your work enhances motivation and accuracy. The DenteKidz program serves thousands of children annually. Your data entry directly impacts treatment decisions, resource allocation, and program funding. Each accurate entry contributes to better oral health outcomes for children in our community. Quality assurance is an ongoing process. Periodically review your previous entries to identify any patterns of errors. Participate in peer review sessions where colleagues check each other's work. Attend quarterly data quality meetings to learn about common issues and best practices. Continuous improvement is key to excellence. As you gain experience, you may be asked to train new data entry staff. Share your knowledge generously, demonstrate proper techniques, explain the reasoning behind procedures, and encourage questions. Your expertise helps build a strong team committed to data quality and program success. Technology evolves, and so does the DenteKidz system. Stay informed about software updates, new features, and procedural changes. Read program newsletters, attend training updates, and ask questions when you're unsure. Adaptability and continuous learning are essential skills for long-term success in this role. In closing, remember that behind every data entry is a real child who deserves quality dental care. Your attention to detail, commitment to accuracy, and dedication to best practices make a meaningful difference in their lives. Thank you for being an essential part of the DenteKidz team. We appreciate your hard work and professionalism. This concludes your comprehensive Excel data entry training. Good luck and welcome aboard.